Hello, good evening. How are you? My name is Lady, and today I want to present my refrigerator. But first, I want to show you how my refrigerator is looking. For example, this picture represents everything, every place that I am going to on the year. Yes. So let's go inside. Okay, here we have 10 eggs. It's perfect for breakfast because it's delicious, the children's alive, and when sometimes there aren't any eggs, we prepare some meat. Okay, so here we have cheese. This is my favorite eating when you make corn. So we have my favorite food, eggs, or maybe what eggs is great. It smells delicious. And with this bread, you prepare a one. I can prepare one of this, but it's perfect for one. I have some herbs. It's perfect in the evening. When you are angry, maybe you prepare a car with eggs. I don't like soda, but some people like. So there is one bottle soda in my refrigerator, and there is water. Oh my God, have it. Water and some lemon. It's delicious because you prepare the water and the lemon as per your lunch, and you feel better or good or well. So this is a cake. One cake is a chocolate cake, but there is some milk. Oh no, yes. There is one milk in my refrigerator. So, and I have my, oh, this is purple when you eat with rice. Yes. And I have my one bottle of water. So, in this part, you have the meat. And you feel like a cold because in this moment the weather is hot. So this is a perfect weather for the meat. So thank you for watching and bye bye.